So I am currently up and I'm finna pack up the car to go to the pop-up shop that I'm doing, and I'll just fast forward ahead like me packing up the cars. Okay, I put on a hat. So I finished that, well, packing the car with my husband, and now I'm finna head off to where the event is taking place. And I'm walking to go to where I'm supposed to set up. I don't know if I should just walk around or what, but we finna figure it out. Okay, now I'm finna set up everything. So then I'll fast forward through this. Okay, y'all. So this is just what I'm doing for now. I'm not leaving my product and stuff, but
Tell them why. It's windy. Because it's
and
windy.
okay, you want to be involved? That's nice. So I'm not leaving the product just because they're not obligated to watch my stuff. So I'm just setting up my table, my tent, and then when I come back, like 30 minutes before, I'll complete the whole setup. Now I'm gonna go get me some photos. All right, y'all. So I'm coming from Walmart. I just picked up 2 lawn chairs, and then I'm gonna head back at home, and I am fixing to like make my own little shirts. Don't mind the ghetto-ness of my setup. You would think I would have bought um ironing board by now, but I haven't. So I'm just doing a shirt, and I've got some transfers, and I bought a shirt from Michaels. I like the Bella Converse ones over the Jildan. So now I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, so this is how the shirt turned out. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. It came out really good. I just did the front. I was like, cause I don't know, I don't want to mess up this part, but I'll do the back eventually. But it came out good. And come up closer so y'all can just see. And I just put like a black woman owns this. And I made this design on Canva. Eventually, I want to eventually hire an illustrator or a logo designer to put my vision of my logo into fruition. So this is what I'll be wearing to do it. Also gonna have on like some red shades because I'm not doing my makeup. It's supposed to be 90 today, so here we go. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna show y'all how I like set up the official final setup. So here we go. And I made this little photo prop for people to take pictures with and got my name. So then like when they post it, people will see my brand. So I always have an email sign up because even if they don't buy, you can build your marketing list. And I got this sign
Yeah, my daughter in here, she in Kenosha. They having a thing down there. So she down here and I'm up here.
Oh, that's so supportive.
I told her, and I ain't splitting the money.
Right, no free
I got to do all the work. No.
Nice seeing you again. So this is the setup. Simple, budget friendly. So this is my setup.
This ain't no contract.
Hey, I'm leaving in 30 minutes. I gotta go to the reception.
Whoa! Listen up, listen up. The winner
Can I get a
of
picture
the three-point shooting contest. Look, can I get in? Oh, it's over. I've won the new assistant.
All right, it was a good pop-up shop day. I had a nice time. I'm gonna go home and then I'll show y'all like what I got to make the pop-up shop table affordable and budget friendly. Like I was gonna buy some new stuff, but I was like just stay in budget. All right. Hold on. Yo, it's a video.